everybody. My name is Angelo Lagazo from Grade 2C Ruby. Today, we are doing an experiment from our topic in science, solid to liquid. We have a scented candle and a lighter. But you have to ask your parents for help. This is the lighter we are using. And this is the candle that we are using. So let's open it up. It smells nice. Now, the solid will become liquid because of the heat the fire is making. That process is called melting. Let's wait for it, guys. Look, guys, do you see that it's melting? Look, it's turning into liquid little by little. Remember, guys, always be careful when doing an experiment. Thank you. Bye.